Hi and welcome everyone to this Excel tips video. I'm Godfrey from Learn Excel, and in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way how you can unpivot data in Excel, and let us start right now. So I have this data set over here, and this kind of data format is often a product you get as a result of using pivot table reports. Now, if you want to unpivot this kind of data and get it in this format over here, where you have all the products in one column, all the months in one column, and all the values in one column, then you have to unpivot the data set. You can use formulas or VBA, but in this specific video, I will show you how to do it the fastest way, and that's by using the Power Query. So the first thing that I have to do is to convert this data set into an Excel table. And how do you do that? You point over anywhere in the data and you come over and use a shortcut key on your keyboard, Ctrl T. And when you do that, the Create Table dialog box will open, and then you confirm that your table has headers. So when it opens, you come over here and give this table a name. I'll call it sales data, and I'll come over here and change the column header fonts to black so that they are visible. So after having our table, the next thing that I have to do is to point anywhere in the data set and come over to the data tab on my ribbon, and over here on the get and transform data group of tools, I choose from data or range, and then this data set will open in a Power Query editor. Inside the Power Query editor, head over to this column, right click, navigate to Unpivot Other Columns, click once. Your data set will show up in this format. Then you can go ahead and double click this column header and rename it to month. Next, click on Close and Load To. The unpivoted data will load over here into a separate worksheet. And the beauty with Power Query is that if my data set expands over here, let's say for example I receive the September data, I'll use a formula here to generate random numbers. What I need to do is to just come over here and right click, refresh, and my September data will automatically show up over here. And that's how you can unpivot data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, leave a comment, and share with a friend. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos like this.